Living green has never been easier. We made a 1-ounce packet that gives you 8 to 9 servings of fruits and veggies. By combining superfoods and super seeds, we've created a super healthy supplement that helps your body detoxify, replenish, fight, and thrive better than it ever has.